Here's her second hook. She rehooked. Same weight, 3,500. $137.1. Hey, that fits for Tony Manley right there, the Packer guy. And you got Kenny on the scraper. $37.50. $153.10. I believe her name is Tina Cluck, now that I remember. $37.50. Tractor started pulling sideways. Bob Snodgrass, $37.50. Got a little water drippage, you know. Tyler, 4,000 pound class.
Good pull.
Tina in 4,000 pound class. Fight. Boy, pretty good hook. I don't know what she pulled, I can't hear.
Couldn't hear the distance, guys. Here's Larry on a Massey I've never seen before. He usually pulls that Oliver 88 that we go back and forth with in the lighter classes anyway. Like 5,500 last year, he beat me a couple times. Maybe it's 6,000, I can't quite remember, but he's got a pretty tough 88. Huh. I didn't expect him to run out of power, I can tell you that much. He had the side tin on there, 122 feet. He had the side tin on there, made me think he had it all hopped up.
So that last hook, Larry on the Massey, that was the only hook in the antique class. It's a test and tune day, like I said, no points or anything, didn't get a big turnout.
The boat's holding up good, that's for sure. The little WD that could. It's impressive pull.
I can't hear it. I'll post, I'll get pictures of the distances and post them after the classes, guys.
All right. Here's Bob Snodgrass on his Oliver. The block on this Oliver has been hard filled. Used to be an antique division tractor, but to today's standards it just doesn't compete, so he pulls it in farm stock. See how it does against the old 45, the old WD. You got a hold of the track. He's got a hold of it.
Here's old Tony on his M. One that he just put together this winter. Good hook. Gets that thing dialed in, it should be a pretty tough tractor. Engine says sounds good, I'll tell you that much. Fan shroud. I think the fan might be hitting the fan shroud on that, or the radiator shroud, whatever you want to call it. All right, so pulling here is Anthony Murphy. You guys know that I don't like green tractors, but I got a lot of respect for this kid and this tractor because I don't know how old he is. He doesn't look like he's a day over 20, but he's probably a little older than that. But that tractor, in like the 4 years he's been pulling it, has come leaps and bounds. He'd have spun out way down there, down the track. He's just always improving it. Year after year, it seems to pull better. And that's what it takes to be competitive in this sport. Look at it. Just eat. He was still moving. I wanted to stop. Let's see how the WD fares against the John Deere A. He doesn't have enough air in his tires, and we have the air compressor and offered it to him, and we didn't bring the hose with, of course. Put the big generator on the trailer, bring the hose. He's getting right up there though. Oh, he's gonna get in his tracks. Oh my God, the WD that could. He pulled through the A's tracks. Yeehaw! Birds. Hi-ho, over the river and through the woods. Woo! We call that a full pull around him. Tony again, I guess. He was the only hook in that last class, or maybe they might, I bet they geared the boat up and they're rehooking it. Come on, eat through it, eat through it. That dip right there is make or break. Here we go, Tony. Let's see how good your build really is. Oh, he's fighting for traction already. Oh, he's gonna, yep, there it goes. Oh, it's close. I think Tony got him. Here's Matt on his G. Well, that's Bob in the way. But anyway, Matt on his G. Start of the 5,500 pound farm. Huh. $149.7. Here's this WD. He said, I weighted down to 5,500. See how it hooks. And of course, Bob and I, well, yeah, man, why not? Usually the heavier you get, the better they pull. So here he goes, 5,500 pound class. The WD that could. See how he does against Mass G. Oh boy, it's close. It is close, I can tell you that. Let's see if I can hear the distance. $124.7. That does sound right. Picture coming up. Not once, not twice, but 3. Here's Anthony on his day. This thing is pretty well stocked too, guys. He's just got that creeper gear in it. He does pretty good at weighting it. He is fighting. Another good hook. They're close. They're all really close. Here's Tony on his farm stock hound. He did some work to this over the winter to try to compete with the 17. If he gets to see that next hook, we'll see what happens. Again, right there. I can't tell you who's in the lead right now. They're all that close. Moved on to the antique class now. Box was about all the way up. There he got over. Everybody's pulling so close today. Wow. I think he might have went a little farther. He had the boat box all the way up. Okay, here's the start of the 6,000 pound class. Farm, 3 mph. This pull right here, this class right here, is going to tell us a lot about the rest of the season, what's going to happen. Tom's pulling my 17 in this class, and I'm pulling the 19, but I'm not going to be pulling that. In farm stock, I'm going to be running my 17 for points this year with this club. Testing 2 today, no points are being counted, so. It's biting through. He took that fresh line. Good hook, Matt. Man, that thing's tough. Seemed to hit 136.5 maybe. Hits that certain RPM and there it stays. Here's Anthony on his A. First 2 hooks, we got a little G on A action. The A's got this creeper gear. I've said it before, but he definitely gets everything out of this tractor that a person could expect. Let me tell you that. He's competitive with that thing. Look at that thing. I couldn't tell you who won. No idea. Good hook though. All right, I'll pass you over to Bob here. I gotta go get her fired up.
Tony Manley, 6,000. £6,000 class, Tim. Speed limit makes a little difference. That boat pulls hard too. He was all the way up though.
Here comes Bob on the 17. I think he might have a little too much weight. The boat's pulling a lot different this year. But he's in, he might have a little too much weight out front. But he's pulling the high side of first. Let's see how it does. I think he's got too much weight out front. Yep. Eat, girl. Don't you embarrass us. Come on. Come on, beat Big Mike. Come on. Come on. Pull. Pull. Yes. Yes. Woo. I love that tractor, man. God, I don't know, he's right up there with Big Mike. First, he beat my 19. Yes! He beat me. I couldn't tell. Just... Tony in the 6500. I apologize for missing Matt's pull, but I had a small issue. It appears Big Mike did not like getting beat by 17. Last thing I expected to happen with this was it ripped all the lugs. You can see them laying there. I wasn't even going fast, just taking off here and turning around, and the tire said bloop. So, that's gonna have to get drilled out, reinforced. This, that, and the other. And to top it all off, it hits the valve stem. Hopefully, yep, that's ruined. Needs a knuckle over the screen. Wonderful. Why not? Okay. Here comes Bob on my 17 again. I high side of first. Eat, baby, eat! That thing is a monster, man. Over the river and through the woods. They keep lengthening the chain on the boat to see if they can stop it. Not yet. Oh no. To grandmother's house we go again.
I got a big one, but it's only that long, but you gotta have one that'll make a loop under it.
Everybody come down and gave us a hand getting that up.
Don't get your fingers in.
Thanks everybody. I appreciate it.
Guys, so I didn't get a good outro to this one. The sled, a couple of small issues with it broke that are going to get reinforced before the next time we're out. It's kind of why we're doing the test and tunes. Make sure that the new sled is holding up. They shortened that, redesigned it and everything. And I'm just going to say thank you to everybody for watching. And since I didn't have an outro, figured I'd let you guys watch this. I could watch it over and over again. Thanks for watching. Hope to catch you on the next one.